Okay, it's raining and I can't find any place where I can stop and wait for the rain to pass. The rain has stopped, thankfully. I've just been to Church Bay Park and the night is still young, so I decided why not visit the closest park here. So let's go. I saw on the map that Seymour Pond Trail is close by, so let's go. Even though I can see the pond from here, I don't think I can go close there on this side because there's no road to it. The road leads to private property. I'll just walk along the south road and see where it will lead me close to the pond. This is still South Road, but in a little while, maybe in 5 to 10 minutes, I will reach Middle Road. We are now at the end of South Road. And the road it goes into is Middle Road. There's the sign for Middle Road. And here's the sign for South Road. What to do now? Of course, we're still going to Seymour Pond, which I think I've been to before. We passed by that when I joined this walk from somewhere in Middle Road to Somerset or still Middle Road. I forgot about that walk. Anyway, we're going there. I remember buying from that stand before, and even though I want to buy now, I can't because I forgot to bring cash, and I doubt that they accept credit card payments. That's the railway trail, but I'm not going there today. Let's see if this road leads to the pond. Oh, it does. See? Seymour's Pond Nature Reserve and public access during daylight hours is available. And it's adopted by Deloitte. I don't know what that means. Welcome to Seymour's Pond Nature Trail. This trail encompasses Barnes Corner Nature Reserve, owned by the government of Bermuda, and Seymour's Pond Nature Reserve, purchased by the Bermuda Audubon Society through public fundraising in 1963 with additional roadside land donated by the Master's Estate in 1986. Going down there is Bird Hide, and walking ahead is Woodland Trail. Let's see the pond first. This is actually not the first time that I've been here. The first time was when I joined that walk that I mentioned earlier. And last time we saw an egret or another bird, I don't know the name, standing there. But there is nothing today, at least right now. There's a sign here stating missing. It says here that there are 2.4 billion birds killed by cats annually in North America. Interesting figure. So what's the message? The message is that do not feed cats, stray cats, near the ponds or near this reserve at least, because they are predators to the birds that live here. While there are no birds here at the moment, there are ducks. Are ducks birds? I can stay here all day watching ducks swim. I'm gonna stay here for a while, still hopeful that a bird would pass by. But even if no bird will pass by, I'm still happy that I went here today. The ducks are resting. Actually, I'm not sure if these are ducks, but those two are resting. Goodbye, pond. I actually saw some small birds. Oh, one is flying over there, but they are so small that they can't be captured by this camera. I'll walk just a little bit, maybe some 5 minutes over there and see what's there because I forgot. And then I'll head back because it's getting a bit late and dark already. Do you hear that? I thought before that it's the sound of birds, but I was told it's the sound of very small frogs. There's a sign that go ahead for the trail, but I'm not heading there. I'm heading back, going to the bus stop. So this is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for going along with me and for watching. Have a great day. Bye.